How's it going, guys? It's Retro and welcome to part 2 of the SMG4 Character Tier List. It's been almost 2 months after I uploaded part 1 of this video, and now it's about time to continue this tier list. In part 1, we ranked both the SMG4 gang and the anti-cast, and now in this part, we're going to be ranking some recurring and classic characters. But anyways, let's get started. Before I continue this video, I just want to say that if you haven't watched part 1 yet, I would recommend you to watch that part first before coming to this part to avoid spoilers. And of course, this is just my personal opinion, so you guys can feel free to agree or disagree in the comment section below. But anyways, without further ado, let's continue this video by ranking a mushroom who is a hunter, Shroomy.
Here we go! Oh, golly gee! I made it, y'all! What? Oh, howdy! My name's Shroomy. Shroomy the mushroom.
Okay.
Oh, golly, mister, did I do something wrong?
Okie dokie.
Shroomy is a mushroom who is probably one of the most recognizable side characters in the series. Being a demon hunter, Shroomy has a good personality, being calm and also optimistic at times. However, Shroomy also had an evil side called Anti-Shroomy, and he can be hostile while being on that side. Luckily, he once defeats his evil side in the episode The Demon Among Us. So overall, Shroomy is tied with Bowser for being my favorite side character, and for that, I'm putting him on A tier. Oh, and speaking of Bowser, he's the next character I'm gonna rank.
Oh!
Mamma mia!
Bowser is a classic character in the SMG4 series. In the Super Mario franchise, Bowser is the main antagonist, kidnapping Princess Peach. However, in the SMG4 series, while he still can be antagonistic, mostly in classic episodes, Bowser can be a funny character, funnier than himself in the Mario franchise. And, at times, Bowser can be a good cooker. By the way, I wonder if he's still addicted to chicken nuggets recently.
Oh man.
Chicken wing!
Oh, I guess he is still addicted to it. Anyways, the only downside is that he is mostly bad at taking care of his children. But that won't stop me from ranking him an A tier. Man, we're at the start of this video and there is already 2 characters who are in an A tier right now. Anyways, who's next? Oh, it's Princess Peach herself.
Uh-oh, it seems as though Mario has an unwelcome visitor. This creepy predator, also known as Peach, closes in on her prey. And then... Mario's flight or fight response kicks in, and he runs for his life.
Peach is a character who serves as a princess, or a ruler, of the Mushroom Kingdom. And I gotta say, this character is probably a meh for me. Peach can be quite bossy, and also annoying, especially with her screaming. But there are times when she can be funny at the same time. An example is when she predicted the Oscars by slapping Mario so hard that Mario had yeeted into a painting. But despite that, I still think that Peach is not that type for me. She's not bad, but not good at the same time. So I'm ranking her at C tier. Okay, so the next character is Peach's servant who can be grouchy most of the time. Toad.
No!
drunk all my milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Now things are starting to go downhill. Toad is a classic character and I kinda dislike him, mainly because of his bad personality. As I said, Toad can mostly be a grouchy person and has anger issues. Not only that, he sometimes uses profanity and mostly doesn't care about anyone. Sure, he can be funny sometimes, but that isn't gonna cut it anytime soon. So, for the first time in this tier list video, I'm putting Toad in D tier. Alright, so next up is a character who is originally from a sandbox game. Give it up for Steve.
Whoa! Hi guys! Steve! Whoa! Oh no! No! Eto, sono lavato, l'abito! What did you say?
I am so sorry.
Now let's try real hard to get back there.
Chickens! I can fly!
Yeah!
Oh, mamma mia!
Let's go!
Steve is a classic character who is originally the main protagonist of the video game Minecraft, which is still one of my favorite video games. This is a good character. What I like about him is that not only he is of course the main protagonist of Minecraft, but he can also be funny sometimes despite being idiotic. Steve is mostly addicted to live chickens, and if he sees one, he's gonna shout this.
Chickens!
But don't let Steve's personality fool you, because if you murder a chicken in front of him, well, let's just say that's gonna piss Steve off. Overall, Steve is mostly a funny character, and because of that, I'm putting him on B tier. Next up, we have another bad character in my opinion, and that character is Wario.
No! Let's go! No!
Mamma mia! What's going on here?
Yeah! Here we go!
Yeah, I honestly dislike him just like Toad. Wario is a character who is an arch rival of Mario, and let me tell you this. Wario tries to scam everyone and commit robbery for money and some stuff. He is also a bully towards others. An example of this is that in the episode The Big Bad Bully, Wario steals the last copy of a game from Tari after she accidentally pushed him. As a result of that, I'm putting Wario in D tier. Alright, next up, we have Wario's partner who is an antagonist of the Waluigi arc, and also had no chance to be in Smash. No offense. Waluigi is up next.
Come on, man! Yo, a little help here!
So as you may know, Waluigi is an antagonist of the Waluigi arc, after being rejected from being a fire in Smash by none other than. So then, he turned into a form called Walurambo and caused havoc in the Mushroom Kingdom. After he was redeemed at the end of the arc, Waluigi is in my opinion one of the characters who have the most potential. After all, he doesn't seem to be antagonistic as much, and also caused Bob to redeem himself at the end of the Rapper Bob arc. So yeah, I think that Waluigi has a lot of potential after the chaos in the Waluigi arc. So I'm gonna put him on B tier. Alright, so next up are two guards who previously worked at a spaghetti factory. And those two are Swag and Chris.
Don't touch my baby Marios!
What? How else am I supposed to get your ham and canned?
Wait, hold on. The military?
Yeah, we decided to take a different career direction for 2020.
Yeah, Swag and Chris, soldiers of the Mushroom Kingdom, protectors of the people, saviors of the world, collectors of women.
Swag and Chris are two security guards who were in a spaghetti factory called Fresh Spaghetti Tubby, and were the two protagonists of the spin-off series Guns and Retards. Now you may be wondering, why did I put these two together in this scene? Well, think about it. Those two characters are directly alike. Even their personalities are similar. There's not much to talk about these two, but they seem to be good characters, mostly because of them being funny sometimes. So I'm gonna put these two on B tier. Next, we have a police officer who of course hates crime across the Mushroom Kingdom. Monitor.
Wow, fantastic.
I don't think you can go there.
Hey, I was just leaving. Yeah, I'm gonna leave now.
Hello there, fellow person. Did you know you are breaking the law? Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that.
What the hell was that?
So Monitor is, well, a monitor who is programmed to be a police officer. Like Swag and Chris, there's not much I can say to him, but it seems like he is doing his duty as normal, and can be friendly to others as long as they don't commit crimes. So I'm putting Monitor also in B tier. And next up, we have yet another bad character. This time, it's the green dinosaur originally from the Super Mario franchise, Yoshi.
FBI, open up!
Your rent's due, mother.
Okay, I'll do it.
Whoa! Point Mario!
Gotcha, bitch.
So, Yoshi is a character who is associated with the Grand Council of Tax Fraud. And honestly, I don't really like him that much. Not only because he commits tax fraud, which is obvious by now, but he mostly have a bland personality. All he did is eat and commit the tax fraud. That's probably it. Yoshi may be my favorite character in the Mario franchise, but definitely not in the SMG4 series. So I'm putting him on D tier. So far, we have 3 characters who are in D tier. Those characters are Toad, Wario, and Yoshi. But the next character is much worse than these 3. You guys wanna know what's my least favorite character in the SMG4 series? Well, I'll tell you. Jeeves. Jeeves is a character who is somehow a fork, and oh my god, Jeeves has got to be my least favorite in the SMG4 series. Let me explain why. Jeeves has a very bad personality. He is mostly cruel and has so many anger issues. He has an irritating voice which I can't stand. He can be a bland person, and he even doesn't care about anyone at all. So in conclusion, Jeeves is definitely my worst character in the SMG4 series. And for that, I'm putting him on the lowest tier on this video, E tier. And next, we have a chameleon who is part of an illegal organization, Francis.
Oh no! What is it, SMG4?
Dear God. It's...
Mamma mia!
Hey, you guys are here too! just glad my balls aren't the only ones that are gonna be beat.
Shut up.
Bob.
But it's not our fault though!
SMG4 is a
Kill him!
Hey! Shut your mouth!
Shut up!
Whatever! You guys!
Fuck up!
Oh, wait! Please don't hurt me! I can help! Please! Come on, man!
Francis is a chameleon who is the main antagonist of the anime arc, and the leader of a criminal organization, Anime Cartel. And we can all agree that Francis is a bad character due to one reason. Yeah, this is probably the most obvious and the only reason why Francis is a bad character. Let's move on. Alright, so we're going to take a break from ranking bad characters and move on to ranking overarching characters, starting with SMG1 and SMG2.
Zero! This time, we're going to end you for good!
Thank you for saving us, you guys. We don't even know your names.
What, really? But it was obvious by now. My name is SMG1.
And I'm SMG2!
Wait, what? And now we're going to end this for good!
What? You can't just drop something like that on me!
SMG1 and SMG2 are two meme guys who were from another dimension, Toy Toy Kingdom, until their kingdom got destroyed by Edorak Zero. Honestly, I like these two, since they managed to protect the Mushroom Kingdom, and possibly other universes on the Cosmology lore. Also, they both have good designs overall and their voices are good as well, so I have to give credit to them by putting them on B tier. Next, we have another meme guardian who we thought is evil, but was a friendly guy this whole time, SMG0.
Oh gosh! You guys are finally awake!
What happened? Oh, that's right. Guys, I'm so sorry.
The power sure did feel good though. Wait, who the heck are you?
Oh, my name's SMG0, and welcome to my humble little home.
SMG0?
Whoa there, guys! Try not to get too worked up. Your bodies are healing.
You're not the SMG0 we fought back home, are you?
What? Oh no. We hurt you, didn't we? I'm so sorry!
Wait, slow down. What are you talking about?
Before the Revelations movie, we thought that SMG0 was the main antagonist of the Cosmology lore, causing extreme havoc and destroying universes like Toy Toy Kingdom. However, in reality, it's just because of Niles fusing him to make a deadly virus, as SMG0 is a friendly and innocent character, and there are now things I like about this guy. Like I said, he has a very friendly personality, which is probably the main reason why I like him. Also, he is voiced by the one and only Michael Kovac, who voiced my favorite Murder Drums character, and also Angel Dust from Hazbin Hotel. As a result, SMG0 is now the only overarching character to be ranked on A tier. And next, we have the one who is the true antagonist of the Cosmology lore, Niles.
Well, you were close. Next time, predict their trajectory, yeah? Come on, clueless girl, fight back! Wow, that sucked.
Niles is an artificial meme guardian who has been summoned by the God Box. Nios is the true antagonist of both the Genesis and the Revelation arcs, as he fused with SMG4 to create a deadly virus, causing wreck and havoc and destroying universes. He also can be a bully to others and use Melody to open the God Box. But despite these things, he did teach Melody with her powers and stuff, although he did that to control her powers to get to the God Box. Plus, he has a great design overall, and just like SMG4, he is also voiced by Michael Kovac. So should I like Nios or hate him? Well, I will most likely hate him for all the things he's done in the Cosmology lore, but I don't know. You know what? Screw it. C tier for now, cause I can't decide. And now, we have two of the newest characters in the SMG4 series. One is a demon who is from Psycho's game, and the other is a cat who is a cashier. Those characters are Kaizo and Karen.
Sorry.
もう誰も引き返せねえ。
タイムよ。危機感のなさは相変わらずね。
カウンターショック。体で味わってもらおう。
あんたたちがやったことのこれで満足かしら。
かさどる権力を日々は竜の爪。うる麦わらのよろしく。
Excuse me, miss. We can't reach the washing machine. Could you help me? Sorry, Chop Chop. Looks like no clothes washing for us.
Chop chop.
Oh no, he's my brother.
Yeah, looking good over here. All right.
You have 1,000 children?
No.
Kaizo is a demon who was created during a live stream, and is the main protagonist of Psycho's game, Karen's School. And Karen is a cat character who works at Starbucks and other stores. I do have different opinions about them. I kinda dislike him much. I mean, he can be a jerk to others, including Psycho, and caused havoc in his debut. Sure, he apologized to Psycho in the main games, but I don't think that's gonna cut it. For Karen, despite having a boring personality sometimes, she did have a good design overall. She also can be addicted to cuteness, like Jub Jub for example. So, as a result, I'm putting Kaizo in D tier and Karen in B tier. Alright guys, this is it. After many characters we ranked on this tier list video, we are now left with the final two characters that I'll be ranking, and I definitely saved the best for last. This is a special and dedicated part of this video, because it's the two of the most memorable characters that we lost over the years. Everyone, give it up for Axol and Desti.
Come on! Come on!
Done! Let's do this! Ta-da! Check this out!
みんな大丈夫かしら。
He's using his special drawing pen.
Wait, what? No way.
Bring it on!
Oh my god! Impossible!
Mamma mia, the horror. Aren't I done yet?
Hmm?
What? Para tutto na pato, tutto. Ma tutto na pato, tutto na pato, tutto na pato.
You didn't see that coming, didn't you? Well, I decided to honor these two by including them and saving them best for last. But anyways, Axol is a humanoid axolotl who is known to be the world's greatest manga artist, and Desti is a popular octoling who is the leader of a group called Octopus. It's pretty sad that these two tragically died due to incidents in both the Genesis and anime arcs. Axol has got to be one of my favorite characters in the SMG4 series. As I said, he is known to be the world's greatest manga artist, and he managed to draw and bring anime characters to life using his ink weaver. He also had a great personality, helping the SMG4 game to unban anime and the anime arc, and even had a heartwarming relationship with Melanie. For Desti, even though I don't really remember her as much as I remember Axol, I'm still gonna honor her, since he had an iconic rivalry with Maggie, and wanted to save her after her disappearance, proving that she cared about her despite their rivalry. In conclusion, although they both died at tragic times, we can never forget these two characters. As a result, I'm putting these two on a special tier just for them, and that special tier is Heaven tier. Rest in peace, Axol and Desti, you both will be missed. Finally, after ranking a lot of good characters, and some bad ones, we can finally conclude the SMG4 Character Tier List. We hope you guys enjoyed this video as I worked hard on both Part 1 and Part 2. And if you guys do, make sure to like and subscribe for more quality content. But until next time, this is Retro Galaxy, signing out.